Yo-ho! Hello, welcome to my channel. New video, new machine. Today I will show you one grand machine and name is EMALLA Grand. I want to present this machine. It's a long time on internet and EMALLA sent to me to make one good video and show you what is important with this machine, what is the difference with this machine, and why it's so good machine. First, you see it on the start of video, what you get it with this complete set. You get it one nice box, you see it, and in this box you can put it. That is something like travel bag. You have for two batteries, but this option is with one battery, and it's nice. Then you get it machine with one battery. You get it RCA plug, what you can use it when you have not when it's your battery is out. This is charging cable, USB-C. That is RCA cable for tattoo supply, net supply or tattoo supply if you need to use it. And this is something with O-rings, another knob, and some screws and everything. I don't know, we will see it later. Okay, everybody know what is this. And of course you have 1 year warranty, you have production number and user manual, what is the difference, for what you can use this machine, and everything is here. I will not say too many because you can everything read it here, but I only said important stuff for this machine. First, I will show you grip is the click system, is very good, very precise. Second, for me what is important, grip is big, is fat and going in your hand pretty good, pretty well. For the price, I can say you is around 500-600 euros, and this price you think is very expensive. No, this machine is not for beginners, or is for beginners but want to buy it and use it a few years, or is for professional use only. Now, if you screw it, grip is a little bit harder. Grip is not too heavy. For me, a little bit heavier is better. Then you see that is the motor. Then screw it. Battery, for me that is the best way, not this with click system. This one, when you put it there, you know it is there. And that is the motor. Motor is a little bit bigger if you see it, but of course you have this option what you can use it with different strokes. Now I will show you what happening if you were putting RCA connector going there, and then you have small tattoo machine, and it's perfect in hand. What is important with this machine? Important is then you have 7 different strokes. I think you know what is the stroke or the hub. Different strokes depends means then you can use it for different techniques and different tattoo styles. Something like if you are going with 4.2 or 3.9, you can do it good lines, fine line, and you can do it something like dot work, or you can do it very good black packing or something like that. If you are going with 3.6, 3.3, you can go it with colors for all arounder. You can do it lines, you can put it a good color, you can make it good shades, you can put a good color with less trauma on the skin. Or if you are going with 3 and 2.7 or 2.4, you can do it very nice shades and everything what is in realisms and something like that. For me, I'm only using from 4.2 to 3 around this part, because I'm using only for my tattoo style is blackwork, small blackworks, and animas, neo-traditional, new school, old school, and something like that. And because of that, this machine is great. What is important for this machine? Output voltage is around from 4 to 12 volts. Recommending for using is around from 6 to 10, I think. I don't using more from 10. And the weight from this machine is around 240 grams. Battery life is from 6 to 10 hours, depend what you are doing and what voltage and what stroke. And I say it, strokes is adjustable and is from 2.4 to 4.2. If you want to change it, you must put it your two fingers here, 2 fingers there, and you can change it. Something like that is a little bit harder, and for me that is the better, because when you're working then you cannot change it. For the grip, if you want to do it something like that. Now when you're starting machine, you must push it here. You see it logo EMALLA, you see it voltage, time, and battery life. When it's five bars here, then it's 100%, of course. Minus is voltage down, plus is voltage up. You can do it something like that, or you can only push it, then faster going. Always going for 0.1. What more? Jump start, push it. What is for me was the biggest surprise when I started this machine. Did you hear it? Now is 2.7. I will put it on 4.2. It's the same, low vibration. You don't know this machine working. If you want to stop it, only push it here. In this video, of course, on the end of the video, I will show you how I do it tattoo with this machine. I do it plenty of tattoos, and I use it in more in black from colors, and I see it healed tattoos, and was perfect. I can say only was perfect. Healed was everything good, everything nice. Of course, you cannot make 1-2 tattoos and say it is perfect. No, you must do it 10, 20, 50 tattoos, and then you can say it is perfect. But if you take it in your hand, and when you're trying to make something, you see the difference, then you know it's good. Now I will try it only to put the needle here. Okay, this needle is a little bit noisy, but it's something like that. Vibration is not here. It's great, very great. If you want to start, stop is immediately what is important. And what I want to show you more, if you put a battery there, you know battery is dead, you can put it out, make it charging, put this part, and then you have normal machine. You can use it with another battery, or you can use it with tattoo supply, or you can buy it extra battery battery connection, what going there, you can put it here, or you can buy it one more. I will show you only with critical battery. Fits perfect and do it great now, and it's great in hand. It's not too heavy, it's great. If you have interesting for try this machine, or you have any questions about this machine, you can send me message on my Insta, or you can text me in commenter down. Everything what you need to know more about this machine, you can find it in description below, and you can find it where you can buy this machine and where you can, I don't know what I want to say, sorry. too many speak. One more time, I'm showing you EMALLA Grand Tattoo machine with 7 different strokes, with battery, wireless, with RC connection, and this. So, to the next video, we see each other. Bye.